Oh, it's crowded in Dollar Tree. There's a lot of people in. What is this? I was trying to figure out what is this right here. It's a coaster. It's cute. Coaster. That's different. I guess this is like the Mother Day section over here. They have the little bags, the cute butterfly boxes, spa lotion. This is new to me. I've never seen this in here before. I like this right here. Especially like these. Oh, here are the flowers. Bountiful. Oh, so colorful, huh? This right here is what I'm looking for. Yay, they have them. This one I do. Right here. These right here. I like this one too. Uh-oh. That one. And this one, but these are pretty big. So I'm gonna go with this one right here. Alright, here's all of the Mother Day cards right here. So let's see. I like these two right here. You can put these in your car, behind your sofa. Let's see. Which one smells good? This one is called Enjoy Every Moment, Delight and Relax in the Pleasures of Continuous Fine Fragrance. Wherever you like. That one smells good. See, jasmine. I think these are the natural soaps right here, right? Yeah. Oh, they have some no shower curtains too. Oh. Well, I haven't been in Dollar Tree in a while. Maybe they're new, maybe they're not. I don't know. But socks going on. Ballerina flat socks. These are cute right here. All right, beautiful people, let's go ahead and jump into this Dollar Tree haul. So from Dollar Tree, I end up picking up some Santa Fe blend with the corned beans and onions in there. I got me some cut okra. Maybe I want to fry up something. I don't know. Or just go ahead and saute them or add them in some type of vegetable and meat. Maybe I have a stir fry I can throw in the wok. I have 2 cans of Campbell soup, and you know they love chocolate chips in the house, so I went ahead and picked those up. And this is a nice size bag. They come with broccoli, carrots, snap peas, yellow bell peppers, and yeah, like I said, I can put them in a wok and just go ahead and cook them up. These are the cleaning products that I end up picking up. I got some Palmolive dish liquid soap. I have some Fabuloso. Yes, want to get the bathroom smelling all good. Maybe mop the floors. I have a new dish towels. I have some socks. As I stated, when I was in the Dollar Tree, I was like, those are kind of cute, and they are by the Beverly Hills Polo Club brand. I did pick up some elbow spaghettis, noodles. I think those are the large ones. I hope. Yeah, I think those are the large ones, which I really prefer. But if I have the smaller ones, that's okay. They'll do too. So that recipe came out good. If you had not seen that video that I just made, I'm going to make sure that I leave it down in the description box. It will show up at the end screen, or it will be in the cards. So I was like, let me go ahead and pick up some flowers. I'm going to try my green thumb. I don't know. You know, I am an earthy type of person, you know, and hopefully that I will be successful. I hope that me going ahead and potting some soil and putting some flower seeds in, I hope that they sprout. You know, it's just this time of the season, you know, spring, summer, Mother's Day, all that is, you know, coming upon us. So happy Mother's Days to all the mothers, okay? Because this is like, you know, that time of the season. So I'm going to try this potting soil, and it should work out just fine. Fingers crossed. So I hope that I'm successful, as I stated before. And yeah, I did pick up this freshener. Like I said, you can put them behind your couch. Maybe you want to put them in your car or something like that. And yeah, so it should work out just fine. This has been my little Dollar Tree haul. Yes, it was a small haul, but I hope you've enjoyed the store walkthrough and the haul. And I will most definitely see you back here on the next video. If you found any value in this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free and you're doing the things that you love to do. Take care of yourselves. Come back and visit me again real soon. If there is a video that relates to this video, it's going to be up in the cards, down in the description box, or it will show up at the end screen.